In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a finance chatbot using ChatGPT. We'll walk through the steps needed to launch a simple yet effective chatbot that educates your users on fundamental financial concepts without offering personalized financial advice. Our goal is to help you craft a chatbot that can engage users with helpful and friendly guidance. First, open ChatGPT by heading over to chat.openai.com. You'll need to log into your account, and once you're in, start a new chat. This is where the magic begins. Having access to ChatGPT allows you to leverage its powerful capabilities to create a customized chatbot experience. The next important step is defining your chatbot's purpose. For example, if you're aiming to build a finance chatbot, think about what areas you'd like it to focus on. Perhaps you want to assist users with budgeting tips, provide an introduction to investment basics, or address frequently asked questions about personal finance. It's important to note that while your chatbot should provide educational content, it shouldn't offer personalized financial advice. This ensures it remains within the boundaries of compliance and offers broad, helpful guidance. Once your chatbot's purpose is clear, it's time to create sample Q&A conversations. Let's say a user asks, "How can I start budgeting?" You'd want your chatbot to respond with 3 simple steps accompanied by relatable examples and a motivational closing line to encourage the user to take action. Adding more sample conversations, like discussions about saving and investing, enriches the content that your chatbot can share. These conversations serve as a guideline for how your chatbot will interact with users. Setting your chatbot's tone is crucial for user experience. Aim for a tone that is professional yet friendly, making sure it is also easy to understand. This means avoiding jargon or complex terms and instead explaining concepts in plain English. Short examples can help clarify any information and make it more accessible for users who might not have a financial background. Next, organize your finance topics into a clear structure. You might want to create a menu with categories such as budgeting, saving, and investing. Within each category, offer 3 example questions that your chatbot can confidently answer. This structure not only helps users navigate the information, but also ensures your chatbot remains focused and efficient. Finally, you'll want to prepare your chatbot for integration. Start by copying the conversation flow you've developed with ChatGPT. Then, use platforms like Dialogflow, ManyChat, or a website widget to connect your chatbot to a user interface. Once integrated, conduct thorough testing with real users and remain open to feedback. This process helps you refine and improve the chatbot's responses, ensuring a smooth and informative interaction for your users. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to launching a helpful and educational finance chatbot. Keep iterating based on user interaction, and soon your chatbot will become an invaluable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy.